If you've ever wondered how to actually beat the sports books, the answer is value. OddsJam's Positive EV tool is built to find bets where the odds are tilted in your favor instead of the house. Sportsbooks don't always agree on their lines. OddsJam scans them all in real time and points out where one book has made a mistake. Those opportunities are called positive expected value bets. When you place enough of them consistently, the math works in your favor, and you come out ahead over the long run. It's not about winning every single bet. It's about stacking bets with an edge and letting probability do the work. OddsJam also gives you alerts and bet tracker, so you can stay organized and see your profits grow over time. If you want to start spotting real value and betting smarter, try OddsJam free for 7 days using the link in my description.